This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Squarespace questions or tasks on demand.
In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to add a custom font to just a few words in Squarespace. So here we have just a little bit of content here where we'd like to update it, but not affect the entire block. We've added like a green color, we've made the font bold, and we've also changed the font type. So it's really different from here. So I'll show you how to get that done. All right, so the first step, and this is, I guess, a hack, but it works perfectly. You need to go into the back end of the site, and we're gonna just kind of mark this. We'll hit edit by page content, and we're going to mark this section up, mark it as code. So you're not going to have any code type, and these are all like types of fonts that you could have on the site. You're not going to have the code type anywhere else. So it's perfectly fine to use it here. So we'll just change that to code, and then we're going to save our changes. And as you can see, it just changes the font to this monotype font, but we'll update that and customize it exactly how we want. So the first step would be, actually I'm going to go back out so I can take you exactly how to find where we need to make the changes. So this is where you'll start. So you go into settings. Next, you'll go down to advanced, and then you click on code injection. And here under the header tag, we'll add our custom CSS. So we'll start with the style tags, open and closing style tags. And then we'll add code and our open and closing curly braces. And the first thing we'll do is to change the font type, or rather the font family. So you say font family, we'll set it to Times. And if Times doesn't work, because sometimes you might be using a font that doesn't work on another browser, so we'll add like a fallback type of text like Arial. And next, we're going to add our font color, change it to green. And we can also add like a font weight, bold. So we'll make that text bold. And you can also change the font size as well. So we can make this like a 30 pixels. So once that's done, just hit the save button. And you'll see over here, all of our changes are applied. The font is now like a Times font, and it can be any font. You just kind of set it right here and also add a fallback text. Color is green, it's bold, and it has this very large font. Or you could change it to a very like regular size font, or you could leave it blank and it'll just stay the same font size that it was before. Right, so that's it.
Was this helpful? Ask a Squarespace question now. AskQuesty.com.